Welcome to Simple Coding, guys. So let's see in details about what are identifiers. So we already covered this part. The name for the identification, whatever we name given for the identification purpose, we call it as identifiers. So in the program, the class name as a demo, then main, string, args, that's a variable name. These things are identifiers. So basically, when we given any name to as an identifier, maybe or as a variable, what thing we should have to follow? The name should be contain capital A to capital Z value as an alphabet, then small a to small z, then numbers 0 to 9. It can contain any of them. And apart from these things, it allows only underscore and dollar sign as a special character. Okay, so let's see which things are valid or which things are invalid. Here we have some cases. The right side, as you can see, capital D, then as a demo, or second one is small as a demo. We already done these things, but we will try to do each and everything live, and let's see what error we gets. Guys, here we have class name as a demo, and I have already saved this file as a demo.java. So now let's try to run it. Java C capital demo dot java. This is the file name as a dot java. Let's run. So it's compiling fine. Java demo. Okay, success. Now the second part is small demo. So I will just change this to small d. Okay. Now I will just save it as a save as and small d. Okay. Small d. All files. Yeah. So it is asking for replacement. Okay. So the reason is because when you save any file in the window in the Windows or any OS and other things, it depends upon that. So in the Windows, when you try to save the file with a capital or small with the same name, so it will replace that the old one. Okay, so we will just replace it. Yes. Now to avoid any complications, we will try to remove that capital demo class. Okay. Now I will just try to clear screen again. In this case, as you can see, I'm trying to compile the capital demo.java. Let's see what happens, because we have already changed to small demo, but let's see what happens. It compiles fine because we have changed the name to the class name as a demo. Now we will try to run with the capital demo. It is saying that main method is not read because this dot class file is not generated. Dot class file is small demo. So here we have to name as a small demo. Let's see, it's working. Yeah, it's working. So capital demo and small demo both are working here. Okay, so here we can say it is totally valid. Okay, now let's go for the next case. Next we have 09876. Now from onwards I will just try to, okay, 09876. I will just save it, and for the identification I will just give success 09876. Okay, now let's save it. Save as a, in this case I will save with 09876 all files. Save it. Now let me show you the folder that. Okay, and the command prompt. Now clear screen. Now this time I will compile the 09876 dot java. Okay, it is giving me error saying that identifier expected. So here we cannot start with numeric letter. So we have already seen capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, 0 to 9, or even 0 to 9 is also fine. Then why it is not accepting that 09876? Because the reason is we cannot start with numeric number. Giving us a class name or method name or anything, we cannot start with numbers. So here we have to be very accurate. Okay, so it's invalid. What is the reason? Cannot start with numbers. So next we have the small o here. Okay, now let's try to do that with small o. Now I will try to save with small o. Files. Okay, let me show you the folder. Yeah, is there 09876? Yeah. Now let's try to compile it. I will just go here and 09876. Yeah, let's compile it. It's compiling fine, no problem. And now let's try to run it. It's a small o 9876. Okay, it's working. I'm not changed that capital 0, but it's working fine. Okay, so this is valid one. So no need giving any reasons. So here we have the underscore and dollar. Okay, so let's start with the underscore or dollar, anything is fine. So let's go and type it as a dollar sign and we will save it. Save as. Again go there, dollar sign, all files, save it. Will show you in folder also. This, yeah, on the top. So let's clear screen it. Here I will just type dollar. Okay, for simplicity I will just type here dollar also. Okay, that would be good. I have saved it. Now let's compile it. Compiles finds java $9876. Okay, okay, we are getting the output. Now let's try with the underscore. I know it will work, just to show you. Underscore, yeah. Let's do it quickly. Here I will just give underscore also. Save it. You guys just do it fast. I think, yeah, done. Oh, sorry, I have to run the underscore one. Okay, yeah, we are getting. Now we have the, yeah, this is the valid one. The reason why I'm giving you this small practice, because it's very important. Okay, so let's try with the another special character apart from underscore and dollar. Okay, so let's go to editor. Yeah, so we will start with percentage and we have the star one. I will just save this, first copy, paste it here. Okay, now save it. Because before saving it I need to save as dot java all files. Okay, now let's save it. As you can see, it is not giving any permission. Okay, by that time you know. Okay, let's try with only one thing. It took, oh yeah, we just save this, clear screen, paste it dot java. But that time I have removed this star. Okay, so let's compile it. Oh, as you can see, we are getting some error. Could not find the load. Okay, because I will save it. And again, I will try to Java C percentile. Let's see what is the file name here. Percentage 9876. Okay, percentage 9876. Yeah, percentage 9876. Hit the enter button. Here we are getting identifier expected. So here, other than underscore and this dollar sign, no other special character are allowed. No, nothing is allowed apart from those things. So let's do the last part, which is underscore, then yeah, then dollar sign, then underscore, then dollar, then underscores, something like that. Okay, so we have to save this file name as, so we will go with all these things. Okay, file, save as, then again dot java all files, save. Now this time, oh, save it. Now CLS, I will just write Java C Java. Okay, it compiles fine. Java, then paste. Yeah, is it working? Yeah, it's totally working. So these both of them are, first is invalid, okay, the last one is valid. What is the reason for the second last invalid? Cannot start with other than or we cannot use the special character apart from dollar and percentage. It's up to you to use the special character apart from dollar and underscore after the first letter. That's your work to do. Okay, so I will just type it here. You can use only underscore and dollar sign. Okay guys, so here we have covered the identifier. So to the conclusion, in the for the identification we can give a name with a capital and small both, but we have already discussed how to give the name as a class to the class or method. I will repeat it again. To give a name to the class, we have to start with the capital letter and then we have to follow the camel case. In case of my first program, if I am writing my first program for the class, then we have to follow the camel case like this. For my first row, for example, so here for program, my first program, so here the capital M, then followed by camel case. Capital letter first should be there in case of class. Okay, so when you are writing the method, in case of method, okay, in case of method we have to, so for example, we are given the same name, my first program, then we have to follow with a small letter. then then we followed by camel case in the sense each and every word or each and every letter of the first each and every words. For example, my first program is 3 different words we are combining together. So in case of method, the first word start with the small and other words start with the capital letters. Okay, so these things are valid. We can give vice versa. We can go with any of them. In case of class, we can start small also. But for the industrial standard purpose, we are using this format. Now, this zero number or anything number is invalid, totally invalid. We can't go with that. But in case if you have multiple program, you are multiple students or multiple colleagues are working together, they are learning my first program, then we can give the my first program according to their roll number, my first program 1, my first program 2. These things we can do. There is no problem with that. Same goes with the method, but we can't start with the integers. Okay, now in second we can start with, as we already discussed, is these things, my first program 1 2 3. The same example is there. Then we can start with special character as a dollar or underscore. So for example, if I want to give the name as my underscore first underscore program, we can give. So let me show you. Okay, so this, we just go to editor, paste. Okay guys, we just finish it first, save as. Then we have dot java, all files. Okay guys, so I will just compile it first. cls dot java. Okay, it compiles fine. Okay, it also runs. Okay, so we can go with these things, and starting with the percentage or anything apart from this dollar and underscore, nothing will work. And already we discussed these things. We can use alternate dollar and underscore. So apart in the identification or in tokens of Java, if you have any doubt, please let me know. I'm here to help you. So up till now, stay tuned and do like, subscribe, and comment. Yeah, thank you.